guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. So it was Daughter's Day a couple of days back and I was so happy to receive the Dyson Corrale as a gift. Thank you so much. And today's video is all about the Dyson Corrale, where I am going to do the unboxing and I'm also going to explain the features, and I'm also going to do a demo on how I curl my hair with the Dyson Corrale. So let's get started before I just keep mumbling. But please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and now let's jump in the video. So it comes in a box like this, and it was also wrapped in a white packing paper, which was also the Dyson standard packing paper. And once I open this, I have the real Corrale box, guys. So now I'm going to open this plastic sheet, and now let's find out how this beautiful Corrale looks like. So there is this barcode over here and other details about the product. It does weigh about 2 kilos, which is relatively way heavier as compared to other hair straighteners, but I'm so excited to open this, and let's get onto it. So this is a sliding box and I am going to slide it open, and we have a box over here, and I am just going to lift it like this to open the box. Look at that, guys, it looks so pretty. This is what I call luxurious packing, guys. It comes like this, and it has got a beautiful soft velvet cover, and honestly, oh my god, I am so excited to use it. And this is the Corrale, guys. So we are going to keep our tool aside, and we are also going to find out what else we have in the box. This looks like the stand. Yes, it is. And we have the stand in here, and I am so glad that it has all the details about how to, put the hair straightener, and it's got pictures, so it makes it extremely easy to assemble. Then this is the base, you guys, and honestly, it looks so pretty. This is more like a showpiece than a straightener. And then finally we have the wire. If anyone wants to use the wire, then this is the wire for the hair iron. And then we of course have a safety information booklet. Along with the hair iron, we also have a flight ready tag, and this gives the information on how to carry the hair straightener while traveling. So I have plugged in my charger, and I am just going to attach it to the base. This is magnetic, so you are not going to have a problem in attaching it. Next, we also have this plastic shield sort of a thing which holds the hair straightener, and the way we are going to apply it is just attach it to the semicircle, and we will hear a click, and that's how easy it is. Now coming to our straightener, we have this attached to plug sort of a thing which shows the aeroplane mode, and we just have to pull it slightly and it'll easily come off. Next we have to do is that we have to open the hair straightener, and we are going to just slide this upward. We will hear a tiny click, and that's how easy it is to open the hair straightener. Next, we're just going to flip the hair straightener on the other side, and we are going to just pull this sponge sort of a thing, because this is the battery, and we are just going to peel it from this socket, and this is how easily it comes off. And this is the battery, so we are just going to press in this socket, and we will again hear a click. Now I'm not sure if you're supposed to keep this tiny piece of sponge, however I'm going to keep it, and I'm only going to put it in the bag that it came in, which is this one, because it's probably not going to do me any harm. So I'm just going to keep it aside, twist it all up and keep it aside. To turn the Dyson Corrale on, I'm going to keep this power button, which is right here, pressed for about 3 to 4 seconds, and it literally took less than 4 seconds. So we did see a screen and the level of the battery that the Dyson has, and now it also shows an instruction to press the plus button, and that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to keep it pressed for another 5 seconds. and we heard a sound sort of a thing where we can see different temperatures, and there are 3 different temperatures: 210, 185 and 165. Currently, since 165 is highlighted, we know that the temperature is set to 165. If you want to increase the temperature, we can do it by pressing on the plus button, and we also got a notification that our battery level is low, so I am going to turn it off. And it also did actually give me a check mark to tell me that the temperature has been set to 185 degrees centigrade. Now I know my battery level is going to be extremely low and it is going to be turned off. So before we start our demo and get onto our curling and straightening, I'm going to charge my Corrale to see how long does it take to completely charge this beautiful piece of hair product. One most important point I forgot to mention was that when the heating rods are hot, this power button is going to blink red, and when it cools down, it is going to stop blinking. So it is very important before you shut the heating rods and close the Corrale. I think it is extremely important to let the plates cool down before you close the heating straightener, the Corrale. And now, since it stopped blinking red from the power button, I'm going to just push the blades together and pull this button towards myself, so it will just lock the blades in place. And now to charge my Corrale, I'm going to just place it like so on the base. You will also hear a sound when it comes in touch with the connector, which is the base, and we can also see that there is a tiny light that is being shown actually on the Corrale. We can also place the Corrale on the opposite side, but I would not recommend doing that because we are not going to see any light over here, and hence I would highly recommend to only charge your Corrale from the place that we can see the light. And now let's see how long it takes to charge the Corrale. So I charged my Dyson and it took about 1 hour 15 minutes to completely charge. However, if you want to charge while you use it, you can just apply the cord over here so that it can just charge while you are using it, and you do not have to waste your time. And now let's get on to our demo. I'm so excited, guys. So to curl and straighten my hair, guys, I'm going to first comb all of my hair because I don't want any knots on my hair. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm combing all of my hair to just release and untie the knot. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to make 2 sections of my hair so that we can curl one part of the hair and straighten the other. And I'm just going to tie one side so that it does not bother me while I'm straightening my other side. So now I'm going to start with the lowest temperature, which is 165, and we have also got a notification which just says a tick mark to tell us that it is ready to use. So when I have to place it on the mat, I place it on the cover that it comes with so that it does not harm the surface that we're keeping it on. I'm now going to take sections and then just going to straighten my hair. So this is just twice, guys. I just had to do it twice to get extremely straight hair. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair now. I love the fact that it does not heat up the hair too much, so that when it falls on your arm or your ear or your shoulder, it does not burn too much. And this is one of the reasons that I quite like the Dyson Corrale. So I have straightened this side of my hair, and to be very honest, I am pretty happy. However, I don't usually straighten my hair. I'm extremely excited to curl the other side of my hair. So let's get started. So I always like to section my hair when I'm straightening my hair or curling my hair. So I have sectioned my hair, as you can see, and now I'm going to start curling my hair with the lowest temperature, and this is at 165, and let's see how the curls turn out at the lowest temperature. I'm going to curl my hair the usual way I do, just to see how the curls turn out, and I'm taking a section and then I'm just curling my hair. So guys, this is my hair when the temperature is set to 165 and I quite like it. And now I'm going to do another section by increasing the temperature. So just let's find out how the curls turn out. Now my straightener is set to 185 degrees centigrade, and now let's find out how the curls turn out. So definitely the curls are better when the temperature is higher, and I'm going to finish this section with 185 and we will again increase the temperature and do another section. Now I'm only left with this much hair and I'm going to increase my temperature to 210, and now let's find out how the curls turn out. So I'm going to further divide this into two. They are definitely more tighter curls with 210. These are my curls, guys. I'm honestly quite happy with it, and now you can just see the difference how the straighten section and the curl section looks like. So I've curled the rest of my hair because I did not want to look a little weird with half straightened hair and half curled hair. So I've curled the rest of my hair and this is how it looks, guys. Honestly, I am blown away with the fact that this Dyson had a few advantages because I was so skeptical to get it, and actually I got it as a gift on Daughter's Day. So thank you for the gift, and let's just talk about some pros and cons of this product. Now as you can see that I had attached the cord while I was doing the last section of my hair at the highest temperature, and honestly it did not really bother me. The cord has a beautiful and amazing swivel function, so it just really does not bother you when you are curling or straightening your hair. Another point that I really like about this product is that when I was curling my hair or straightening it, I could easily touch the front section of my hair. That is important when I need to curl my hair just to give it a good swirl. So this does not really heat up as much as other straighteners, and hence you can touch it easily while curling your hair. Of course, at 210, this gets a little heated up, but at the other temperatures, it is perfectly comfortable to touch the front section of the straightener. Now, another point that I really like was that it gives a natural feel and look to the hair. It is not very artificial when you straighten your hair or you curl your hair. Like, it gives a good bounce to the hair, and that's what I really like about this product. One very important point that I really love about this is that when I used to curl my hair, I used to get like a crimp or a bump when I used to twist my hair iron, and that would really bother me. But with this product, I am not getting any twists or those marks when I am curling my hair, so that is a very good plus point I would give for this product. Now let's talk about the points that I really don't like about this product. One is that it weighs about 700 or 800 grams. That's how I feel it can weigh, and I've actually not weighed this, but when I'm curling my hair, I feel the heaviness on my hand, and that's kind of something that bothers me. But I like the effect, so probably I would just, pass it. Another point that I do not like about this is that it uses a lot of battery. So the reason that I got this was because I could use it without the cord. However, I felt that the cord is not a problem. That's a separate story altogether. But without the cord, I really wanted to use this without the cord, but for a longer time. I feel that without the cord, only one person can curl their hair. I mean, I'm talking about a person who has medium to long hair like me. So only one person can use it without the cord. But if another person has to use it right after me, let's say, they will have to put the cord and use it. So I was pretty lucky to get this as a gift, but I'm not sure if you would want to spend over 30,000 rupees on a straightener, but that is something that I'm not very sure of. So I think they could have just worked a little bit on the price point. So I guess that's it, guys. I think this is it from my side for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you guys, and do let me know if you have purchased the Dyson Corrale or whatever other straightener you use. If you want me to create a difference between the Dyson Corrale or any other straightener like the GHD, please do let me know in the comment section down below, and I would be happy to create that for you. I will see you very soon in my next video. Please till then take care and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.